everyone, and welcome to my video. This is a free affiliate marketing funnel tool. This free tool could double your affiliate commissions. I'm going to tell you how to use it. It's easy as a couple steps, couple boxes, and it's going to create a free storytelling email for you that you can plug and play into your autoresponder. That's going to get you more affiliate sales, save you time, and all that great stuff. This took me a long time to put together, but finally it's done, and it's a very useful tool, and I hope you enjoy it. Well, what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to use it real quick. This is it right here. I've got everything set up. I'm going to show you where I grabbed the link, what product I'm using, and then the email it created, and you can come over and check this out for yourself. The link for my site is going to be directly below. It's called instantsalesfunnels.com. Click on it, come on over, check it out. You can put, promote any affiliate product you want, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I'd appreciate it. And with that being said, let me show you how to use this real quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to ClickFunnels right here. And we created a link with, for this example, I used one of the ClickBank's most top selling products in the health and fitness category. It's called JavaBurn. Created my affiliate link. And I've already got all the details plugged into what it does. And we're going to go over to it right now. And what you do here is go into step 2 of this free tool. In step 1, I'm going to stop real quick. If you're interested in getting my 7-day email sequence prompt, this is a professional prompt I'm going to send you a link to, where it creates all 7 days. And a storytelling, they're very good. If you want to check this out for yourself, save yourself even more time, you're going to get this for free. And you're going to get a headline generator. And what that does is you can put whatever product you're promoting, you can say, what it does, it'll you put in the details of the product, and it'll create 10 of the best headlines for a blog post or for an email, and then it'll take those 10 headlines and create the top 3, and then it'll pick a winner. So you can create a great email with this tool. And with the headline prompt, you can create the perfect headline to go hand in hand with this tool. And I'm going to send you the 7-day email sequence prompt and the headline generator absolutely free if you complete out step 1. So in step 2 here, this is optional, step 1, but it's a good deal. So take me up on it. This will save you even more time. There's a couple really cool tools, but you don't have to put in your emails to use this tool. So step 2, we're going to enter your affiliate program details below. Click button and see your output. We're promoting a product here, JavaBurn. And I got the product name and details. It's the world's first and only natural proprietary patent pending formula that when combined with coffee can increase metabolism. So they know a little bit about what you're promoting. You put your affiliate link in here, and then the email goal. To effectively sell JavaBurn to people who want to lose weight safely and effectively. Pretty cut and dry. Now here's the output. It's got unlock the secret to effortless weight loss with your morning coffee. Pretty good, but not perfect. That's why I say come on over, use that headline generator. You can make it even better. But the email's where it's good. Hey there, imagine waking up every morning brewing your favorite cup of coffee and knowing that with each sip, you're not just waking up your senses, you're igniting your metabolism like never before. Sound too good to be true? Well, let me tell you a little story about how this can become your reality. So you get you intrigued from the get-go to keep the reader engaged, get them into the story, and get them clicking your affiliate link. Meet Sarah. Like many of us, she struggled with those stubborn pounds that just wouldn't budge. She tried every diet, every fad, and every workout plan under the sun. But no matter how hard she tried, the scale remained her nemesis. Until one day she stumbled upon something that changed everything. It was a chilly morning and Sarah was scrolling through her emails when she came across a message about a revolutionary product called JavaBurn, the world's first and only natural proprietary patent-pending formula that when combined with her daily coffee promised to supercharge her metabolism. Skeptical but intrigued, she decided to give it a shot. Fast forward a few weeks, and Sarah was a different woman. Not only was she feeling more energetic, but the pounds were melting away. She couldn't believe it. All it took was a simple addition to her morning routine. No more complicated diets or grueling workouts. Just her beloved coffee, now enhanced with Java Burn. And it goes on. Now it's your turn to experience this transformation. Java Burn isn't just any supplement. It's a secret weapon you've been waiting for. With its powerful blend of natural ingredients, it works synergistically with your coffee to boost metabolism, boost fat, and elevate your energy levels, all while enjoying your favorite morning ritual. And then here's the call to action right here. It says, ready to join the ranks of satisfied customers like Sarah? Click here to discover the magic of Java Burn for yourself. And then it gives you another call to action underneath your link. And you insert your affiliate link right here. And here it goes. Don't let another day pass by. Feeling frustrated with your weight loss journey? It's time to take action and make your morning coffee work for you. Join the Java Burn revolution today and transform your life one cup at a time. Cheers to your success, then your name. And then there's a PS here too. So it's a nice size email, not ridiculously long, not short. It's a nice medium. It tells a story. It gets your readers intrigued. So they're going to be reading your emails and ultimately clicking on your affiliate link, getting you more sales in the process. So all you got to do is come on over, put your details in here, copy and paste this, add it to your email sequence. That's it. Come on back. You can use it again, or you can take advantage of my 7-day prompt that can create them all for you in one go. Your choice. It doesn't matter. Either way is fine. But very useful tool. I'm proud of it. It took me a month to put together because I was new to coding and learning all this aspect of, this is kind of a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm glad I learned it all. So created a great tool for you guys to use. Come on over and check it out. Like I said, the link's going to be directly below. And if you could just leave me some comments, let me know what you think about it. I'd appreciate that so I can make it even better. And with that being said, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy my new free tool. Hope it saves you a lot of time and energy and makes you more affiliate commissions. If you can hit the like button on this video, I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Thanks for watching, and you guys have fun using this tool, and have a great day. Bye-bye.